Greetings! We're in the last half of July 2020, and there's a comet right now that's getting a lot of attention. Its official name is C/2020 F3, but most people call it Neowise after the space telescope that discovered it early this year. Neowise is the brightest comet we've seen here in the Northern Hemisphere in more than 20 years, but it's beginning to fade from view and will be gone in the next few weeks, so get out and look for it soon. July 23rd is the date of its closest approach to Earth. In ancient times and up through the Middle Ages, many societies thought of comets as bad omens, predicting disaster. But now we know they're just big, dirty snowballs, or maybe snowy dirt balls, chunks of rock and ice that go around the sun in very long, elliptical orbits. Astronomers believe that they may be bits of leftover debris from the formation of the solar system more than 4.5 billion years ago. We have identified several thousand comets, but there are probably many, many more, most of them far out in the solar system. Some have orbits that bring them close to the sun every few years, or, like the famous Halley's Comet, every few decades. Others may only approach once every several thousand years. As a comet gets close to the sun, it begins to heat up and ejects gas and dust off into space. This is what creates the spectacular tail. A comet tail can be several million miles long. Most comets travel by Earth without much notice, but occasionally one, like Neowise, flares up and is bright enough to see without a telescope. If you want to observe Comet Neowise, find a dark location that gives you a good view to the northwest. About an hour after sunset, find the Big Dipper in the sky. Depending on the date, you'll find the comet slightly below or to the left of the Dipper. The comet appears a little further west and higher in the sky each night, so adjust your search area accordingly. In a dark sky location, you may be lucky enough to see the comet with the naked eye, but you'll probably want to use binoculars or a spotting scope to get a really good look at the tail. Binoculars will almost certainly be needed in light-polluted areas. There are lots of great photos online, but I hope you get a chance to see Neowise with your own eyes. Happy comet watching!